Here is a wonderful 2024 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.